Hey guys, real-time reviews here for another review. I apologize about the wind, it's freezing cold. But everyone keeps asking me in 5th gen Rams, as well as the Facebook groups, what bug deflector do I have? This is the AVS Aeroskin bug deflector. Double-sided tape-on design, so low profile, and all the tape obviously is under this area up here and then all around. Nothing in the middle, just goes around the whole portion. You need 2 people to put this on to make sure it's centered with, you know, this part here. But even though it's flush mounted, it does provide a lot of protection on the hood from rocks, grime, bugs, and everything like that. So I hope that helps you guys. I'll post a link below, and there it is. And there is my dog. Please subscribe, like, share. Just subscribe, even if you don't watch my videos ever. Just subscribe. I need the numbers, man. I'm trying to hit 1,000.